In this video, we're going to see how to restrict a user from creating a ticket outside of his or her own user group or team group. And we're going to do that using power scripts from C prime. And the way we're going to do that is using a workflow validator. We're going to create a custom workflow validator scripts. So what I'm going to do is edit the workflow for the ticket in our test project. And I'm going to place the validator on the create transition, which I can pick up right here, create issue, and we'll select validator. And then we'll hit add validator, and we want the SIL validator. And we'll create a new script, and we'll say only same group, and we've given it a name. Now we give it a place to live. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the I'm going to hop over to the C prime documentation. We're going to use the user in group function, which will check a given user against a given group and see if there's a match. So the best way to do this is to actually specify the groups that we're looking for, because in the instances of Jira that I use, users can be in many groups. So we're going to need some way to specify exactly which groups we're referring to. So let's just create an if function, if statement. And we're going to paste our function in. And for this example, I'm going to say the group is called Customer Relations Team. And the user we're going to check against first is the current user. So we can just use the current user function. Grab the current user like that. And so that's only part of it. That will just see if the current user is part of this group, but we also need to check to see if the assignee of the ticket is in that same group. So what we can do is just copy and paste this whole statement, and we'll say, and the assignee is in this ticket as well. And if this is true, that's a good thing. If the users in the customer relations team group and the assignees in the group, then everything's good and we can return true, which should let the person create a ticket, the user create a ticket. Otherwise, we're going to return false. First, I'm going to make an error message up here. Say, we'll just create an error message. So if they're not in the team we specified, we're going to return false. The type of the message we're going to display is of type error, and we're going to display the error message string as the error. All right. So we have no bugs. Our script is created. We can publish the draft. And now let's give it a test. Okay. So I know that this user is not in the customer relations team, so I should not be able to create this ticket. There. Now, if I assign it to myself, whoops, that was a summary. I am added to that group inside Jira, so I should be able to create the ticket now. And there you have it. That is how you would prevent somebody from creating a ticket outside of a team. From this point on, you could use the permissions schema to further prevent other users from assigning outside the group. Thanks for watching.